Okay. So, opening discussion, fractional problems. Example 1. Anna and Maria played tennis almost every weekend. So far, Anna has won 12 out of 20 matches. How many matches will Anne have to win in a row to improve her winning to 90%?
Okay. So you would write 12 upon 20.
No, 12 upon 20, that's the initial percentage.
Yeah.
But what will you do over here?
You want 90%.
So let you can say let Anne win X more matches. Correct?
Right.
How many matches will Anne have to win in a row without any of this?
One in a row.
So how many matches she has won so far?
12 out of 20.
So now after X matches,
so it would be find the percent.
12 plus X.
Yeah.
12 plus X.
12 plus X, yeah.
Divided by totally how many matches would be played between them?
To get 90%.
20 plus X.
20. Oh yeah, 20 plus X.
And you convert this into percentage.
Okay.
You multiply by 100 and this is equal to 90.
90. Yeah. So it's just the same thing.
Are you following that?
And then you do.
So now you solve for X. You understood, no?
I think so.
Like you have, see, Anne has to win X more matches.
Right.
Now, if she has to win X more matches in a row, obviously you have to play X more matches.
X more matches, yeah. It has to go up.
It has
to go up at the same time, yeah.
And this upon this into 100 to convert to percentage.
Obviously, yeah.
So now what you do is, you work it out.
But
so X plus 12 upon X plus 20, correct?
Yeah.
Is equal to 90 upon 100.
Okay.
This is the problem, therefore.
More crash.
1 second, and now, where is this gone? Here. Upon 100. So this and this cancels. Cross multiply.
Yeah. So
10x plus 120.
Yeah.
Is equal to 9x plus 180.
And then just cancel.
So x is equal to 60.
Okay. Interesting.
So how many more matches we'll have to play in a row?
So x is 60.
60 is such a high number, I think. So I made a mistake somewhere.
Maybe it's 40 more matches.
No. See, listen, 12 plus x. But you want 90%. No, from 60% this was. If you do 12 upon this, 12 upon 20 is how much?
12 upon 20, that's 6. No.
12 upon 20, 60%. 60,
yeah.
400. See now, if you cancel these 2 5s are 10. So from 60%, you have to go up to 90%. Obviously, many more matches will be required.
So it's 60 more matches or
60 more matches, and she has to win 60 consecutive matches to make it to 90%, which is not possible. It won't be possible. After Anne has reached a winning percent of 90% by winning consecutive matches in part A, how many matches should she can now lose in a row to have a winning percentage to 50%?
So then you would do.
So now listen, after this, so how many matches? 1?
1.
12 plus 60?
12 plus 6. Right.
72 matches.
72 matches.
Played. 20 plus
20
60,
plus
80 matches, correct?
Yeah.
Now she has to lose how many?
She has to lose 50%.
Let her lose.
Oh. Yeah.
Correct? Let her lose how many?
50% of her matches.
No. Let her lose
Y
matches.
Y matches. Oh, right. Sorry.
In a row. Now reverse you're doing.
Right. Yes.
So how many matches she could have a winning percentage? So 72 minus Y.
Because those are the total games.
Yeah. So win will be now 72 and she's losing. So 72 minus
72 minus Y upon 80 plus Y. Yeah.
Because the number of matches are not going to decrease.
Yeah.
Good sum, huh? Very good sum.
I don't like it.
In 200, you're converting this into percent, then?
Yeah. And then this is equal to 50. And then you just cross multiply. Or no,
yeah,
first
so 5 2s, you can do that.
Yeah.
So 144 minus 2y is equal to 80 plus y.
Yeah.
So 144 minus 80 is equal to 3y.
Right. So that's
64 upon 3 is equal to y.
80, which is
a fraction.
String fraction.
Yeah. you have 20% of 50% around basically.
Hmm.
So that means how much is it? What is 64 upon 3? If 3 2s are 6.
Like,
Correct?
yeah.
3 1s are 3.
21.
3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. 21.3.
Yeah.
So around 22 matches.
That was crazy. You just did that. I don't know how to do that.
But you followed?
Yeah.
Check your working again. We didn't make a mistake, no? As to how many matches you can lose in a row. So 72 matches we got by this, and this we got by this. So lose y in a row. So the number of wins would be 72 minus y now.
Right. Yeah. That has to be.
No!
Wait.
This is wrong.
Because
the number of wins will remain 72.
Because you
the
can't decrease your amount of wins.
You can't decrease the amount of
wins. Would it
wins.
be 80 minus y then?
No, 80 plus y.
No.
The number of matches are increasing.
Yeah.
Oh, what a stupid thing to do, huh? So the number of wins would be 72 only.
But then
72.
It just stays.
The number of matches keep on increasing.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now it makes sense. Yeah.
Because we got a fraction answer, no, we saw.
Hmm.
So 72 upon 80 plus y is equal to
2
times 2. So how much is that?
144 on 80. Yeah, 80 plus y. So that's. Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Because why would it be a how can
fraction,
you have a fraction?
So 64 matches she has to lose.
That's crazy. Wow. Do you follow tennis?
Motion problem.
Yeah.
Use the formula distance is speed into time to complete the table. So you make a table and use that. Most motion problems deal with comparing times or adding times.
Okay.
We'll see how that works. So let's see. So let's say speed, distance, and time. Okay. Now Melissa walks 3 miles to house of a friend. So this is a house, friend's house.
Yeah.
So she's walking 3 miles.
That's a distance.
So that's a distance. And returns home on a bike. Now when she returns home, this will remain 3 miles only.
Correct.
Assuming that they are taking the same road.
Correct.
She averages 4 miles per hour faster when cycling than when walking. So
x plus
walking
4 is x.
Walking the speed is x.
Yeah.
Correct. This would be what?
Bike.
Yeah.
That would be x 3 plus x.
X
sorry,
plus 4.
X plus 4. Sorry, I said it before, but then I couldn't find the number. Yeah.
X plus 4. Array, what happened? This is getting disconnected. X plus 4.
Yeah. X plus 4.
Okay. There it is. So time. What is formula of time?
So it's speed times.
Time is equal to distance over speed.
Oh yeah, sorry. Time, distance over speed. So your distance is 3 and your speed is x. And you're 3 upon x plus 4. And then
this is the time taken to return.
Yeah.
And the total time for both the trip is 2 hours.
So then
you're adding the times.
Yeah. So you do 3 upon x plus 3x plus 4.
3 upon x plus 4.
Sorry, yeah, 3 upon equal to 2 hours.
You know how to solve this?
You multiply that
Take
by
LCM.
LCM, so that by x plus 4. Yeah, x plus 4.
So
that's 3x plus, yeah.
Correct. So now when you...
That's 3x plus 12.
Yes.
Plus 3x, which is 6x plus 12. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So
6x plus 12.
Right?
Upon.
Okay. So now what we do? 6x plus 12
plus 12
cross multiply 2 x squared plus 4x.
Yeah.
So I can remove 6 common.
X plus 2.
Why am I doing this? Your numbers will become smaller then.
Right.
So then 2 3s are 6. So, that makes it a little smaller.
Mm-hmm. So SIF equal to x squared plus 4x.
Get all terms on one side.
So minus, oh no, keep the x squared, plus x. Oh yeah. Minus 6, 8, 3 and 2. X minus 2. So x is equal to minus 3 or 2. How can it be minus?
So reject.
Yeah.
So reject the solution. So find the walking speed. So walking speed is
Walking speed is 2
miles per hour.
miles per hour. Because the bike was, because for cycling and walking was miles per hour, right? Okay, actually I like these questions. Don't do that.
Good.
Um,
The speed of a boat in still waters 15 miles per
per
hour.
hour.
If the boat travels 8 kilometers downstream, in the same time it travels 4 miles upstream.
What is the speed of the current?
What is the speed of the current? Speed,
Distance, time.
distance, time.
So,
Upstream and downstream.
yeah.
Upstream,
This chart is nice as well.
yeah, downstream.
So,
Now, the speed of the boat in still water is 15. So, what does the speed downstream be?
downstream,
Upstream, what will it be?
15
Plus x.
plus x.
Because the x is the speed
Yeah.
of the stream. Because when you're going upstream, 15 minus x. It will be less now when you go again.
Because it's,
So imagine the water is flowing down at x.
yeah.
And you're going upstream, you're going against.
Right.
You're going
right,
against
right.
the current.
Yes.
So whatever your speed is, you'll remove the speed of the current.
Right. And downstream would be 15 plus x.
15 plus x.
That makes sense. But wait, how do you know that the water's coming down? Oh, because
Upstream, downstream, I mean. It's coming down now. Once you're going upstream, once you're going downstream.
right. It's just something.
If you're going from place A to place B
Yeah.
and you're returning, so suppose when you went downstream, you will go back upstream.
Because it's a.
The speed of a boat is 15 miles per hour.
Yeah.
The boat travels 8 miles downstream.
Oh, because it's quicker. That's why you know.
8
that it's
miles
going
downstream.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
In the same time, it travels
4
4
miles upstream. Sorry, I was just confused about
4 miles upstream.
that. What is
So
this?
time is the same. So what is the formula of time first of all?
Speed times distance.
No.
Oh, sorry. Distance over.
You know the magic triangle?
I forgot. I don't know. Speed times time is distance.
See, when you're having this,
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at. Okay. So time is equal to distance over speed. Acha, so what was I saying is, it's like this. So when you have the speed, distance and time.
Mm.
So time is the distance over speed.
Time. Yeah.
So time is equal to distance over speed.
Okay.
4 upon
15 minus x.
and your time is equal to distance over
Speed.
speed. Correct? And what are they saying? They take the same time.
Yeah.
So that means what will you do?
The
What is the
quick
time taken? Upstream?
Upstream is 8. Sorry, 4 upon 8. Or no, upon 15. Sorry, what am I saying? 15 minus x is equal to 8 upon 15 plus x. And then you'd minus 8.
4 2s are 8, correct?
Yeah.
So 15 plus x is equal to 15 2s are 13 minus 2x. Correct? You cross multiply.
Okay, yeah.
So x plus 2x, 13 minus 15,
Mm-hmm.
3x is equal to 15.
Mm-hmm.
X is equal to how much? 5.
5.
5 miles, 5x is the speed of the stream, speed of the current.
Current, yeah.
So
Which
that
is
the
x.
55 miles per hour.
Mm-hmm. So what is the speed of the current? 5 miles per hour. Okay.
So remember, upstream the speed will be less, but the time will be more.
Okay.
But here the distance was different.
Yeah. So
that means
time is distance upon speed.
time is equal to time is equal to distance over speed.
Mm-hmm.
Speed is equal to distance over time.
Mm-hmm. And
Distance is speed into time.
Okay.
That's how this magic triangle helps.
Nice magic triangle.
Mixture problem, the same logic you do. Mixture problem involves creating a mixture from two or more things and then determining the some quantity of the resulting mixture. Now see, let's see. You have 10 liters of juice blend which contains 60% juice. How many liters of pure juice needs to be added to make the blend which is 75%?
This is very similar. I did really similar questions to this in the rational functions unit.
Okay. So let's say this is a juice blend.
Yeah.
Juice blend is there. How much you having? 10
Six.
liters.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. 10 liters.
60% juice.
60% juice.
So how much juice is there? 60%.
60%.
60% of 10. How much 6 liter juice is there? Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now what are you doing? You're adding. What are you adding?
You're adding
Pure juice.
pure juice, yeah. X.
So how many liters of pure juice? Let X liters of pure juice be added.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
To get 75.
Now if X liters of pure juice be added, so what will the total be now?
75%.
10 plus X.
Mm-hmm.
The total
Right.
volume, would be 10
Mm-hmm.
plus X.
Mm-hmm.
How much juice will be there? Here this is fully pure juice.
Yeah. Pure
if you
juice.
take X liters, the juice in that is also X.
Right.
So
Correct.
how much of juice content?
6x. 6 plus X.
6 plus X. And how much is this? 75%.
75%, yeah.
So this is 75%. So that means 6 plus X upon 10 plus X. If you convert this into percentile,
Mm-hmm.
there's a 6 plus X juice content in total volume of 10 plus X
Right.
into 100.
Equal to 75%.
Sorry. So 6 plus X
Mm-hmm.
upon 10 plus X
And then you cut
equals
that.
75. Still get stuck even.
So close. You do 75 upon 100,
Yeah, 75.
and then you cross multiply.
So 25 threes are 4s are reduce the fraction.
Oh yeah, first reduce. So
So
then
that's 6 4s
24
are 24
plus 4x equal to 30 plus 3x.
3x.
And then you can
So 4x minus 3x. We got 30 minus
it's
24.
24
So x is equal
equals
to
6.
6.
So
6 liters of
6
pure
liters
juice
of
here.
pure juice, yeah. Okay. I like it. It's
No?
easy to, with practice, I think
Yeah.
it'll be easy to learn.
You can also write like this. You have a solution containing 10% acid.
10%.
So this is 10% acid. And a solution containing 30% acid.
Yeah.
So this is having 30% acid.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? How much of 30% acid must you add to 1 liter of 10%? So you have 1 liter. Correct? How much?
You have 10%.
How much of 30% solution should you add to 1 liter of 10% solution to create a mixture which is 22%?
Wait, it's not at. This is how much of 30%
So this is the total
solution.
volume.
Huh.
You're taking X liters. So when you mix these two, 1 liter plus X liters will become 1 plus X
What?
liters.
Yeah.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now how much acid is there in this?
22%.
Nay.
Oh,
in
this 10. So,
10 upon 100 into 1.
yeah.
So 0.1 liters of acid is there in this.
Right.
How much of acid is there in this in X liters? 30%.
30%.
So 30x over 100.
Yeah. So that's 3x upon 10.
Here how much is that? Are you following that? This
Yeah.
is my one solution. This is my second solution. And this is my mixture. This is 22% of 1
Upon-
plus X.
Okay.
Last time also you could have done this way.
Yeah.
The alternative way.
Okay.
So now, when you add the solutions,
Mm-hmm.
The assets will also get added.
Mm-hmm.
So 0.1, correct?
Right?
Plus
3x
3x over 10
upon 10.
is equal to 22 upon 100 into 1 plus x.
Yeah.
Solve this.
And then you solve it. You,
So this is 1 over 10 basically. So 1 plus 3x over 10, correct?
Mhm.
Is equal to 22 upon 100, 1 plus x.
Cross
This
the
is cancelled,
yeah.
correct? 2 11s,
11.
2 5. So cross multiply.
So you get
5,
plus 15x equal to
11,
11 plus
X.
x.
So 14x
14x is equal to 6.
correct? 11 minus 5.
So x is equal to 6 upon 14, which is
These are 6,
3
2,
upon
7 are
7.
14. So how much you have to take of the 30%? 3 over 7.
3 over 7 liters. Okay. So they're weird, but they're easy
Yeah.
with enough practice.
Oh, 2 gets left.
Oh, such a short lesson.